Hello everybody, it's Marcia. I'm back today with a kit unboxing for the March main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. So this kit is full of the Pink Paislee Bloom Street collection from Paige Taylor Evans, and it is gorgeous. So I'm going to show you the 12 by 12 pattern papers here. There are a ton of pattern papers in this kit. I should have counted them so I could let you know, but you can kind of maybe as I'm paging through them. One of my favorite pages there too, the ombre blue, purple, green. It's great for backing cut files. If you love those pocket pages, they have the cut apart 12 by 12 pattern papers so that you can cut apart and make your pocket pages. I kind of am prone to lean toward papers like this pink one where it's just mostly color and not very much pattern for backing my cut files. This kit comes with tons of cut files too. I'll show you those as well. This pattern paper is fun. It has a bunch of phrases you can cut apart to do some journaling. It is just a gorgeous kit. This is a really popular one, the LOVE. You could fussy cut those letters out or leave them as is and add photos. These flowers are begging to be fussy cut apart too, I think. They're just gorgeous. And they're green that would be awesome for die cutting leaves. Here's a beautiful plaid pattern paper, and on the other side is raindrops for spring. Here's another gorgeous one. I absolutely love this one. All the hearts and all the rainbow colors that Paige Taylor Evans is known for. Just gorgeous. Here's a really pretty floral print, small floral print, and on the other side some hexagons and a bunch of different colors as well. Here's one with little hearts, and they kind of are like rainbow hearts. Lots of these could be cut apart too to create some fun pages as well. Here's one of the pattern papers with some phrases on it, some spring phrases. And on the other side, a nice blue print with some green. They're almost like clovers. Here's another gorgeous floral print. This one kind of matches the flowers from the LOVE pattern paper. And on this side's a beautiful pink purple ombre. This one is Shimelle pattern paper, and it might be one of my favorite ones from the kit because those butterflies are just gorgeous. This is from the Never Grow Up collection, and it has a beautiful dark blue on the other side. Alright, so let's look at some of the other stuff that came in the kit. You get a sticker sheet. This is from the Pink Paislee Bloom Street collection, and this has lots of stickers and phrase stickers. So it's just gorgeous. All the different colors. You could use some of these for titles. Phrase stickers would be cool for journaling. It's so pretty. And the other thing that came in the kit is you actually get 2 packages of ephemera. So the first pack of ephemera I'm going to show you is from the Bloom Street collection, and I think it says that there are 40 pieces. So here's what's in the package, and then I'll show you on a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock so you get an idea of the size of those embellishments. The little moss, I would say. They're cute, lots of flowers, lots of things you could journal on. On this one, I love the birds. I love the umbrellas, the butterflies, flowers. There's more journaling spots. It's gorgeous. I love the ephemera packs. I think they're one of my favorite things to scrapbook with. All right, the other ephemera pack you get is the Shimelle Never Grow Up. This one has gorgeous flowers in it. And these work really well with the Bloom Street collection pattern papers. Lots of gorgeous flowers. So this is just part of them. I have another 12 by 12 sheet that I'll be showing you. Here's the rest of them. I love flowers on layouts. Alright, so then the kit also comes with these thickers. And these are foam thickers, and they have glitter on them. Really pretty. They go really well with the pattern papers. Okay, so here are the cut files. These are all from Neat and Crafty Cutz. I get this gorgeous butterfly with the leaves. Beautiful floral with more leaves. Here's another flower. Aren't they gorgeous? Here's a frame with a flower. And a full page floral print that you could cut out. Flowers with the leaves separated. Here's a hexagon with a pattern inside. And then we have some titles coming up. So Sweet, Bloom, Happiness. And of course every month there's a sketch challenge. So here's the sketch. So super gorgeous kit this month. I'll be posting YouTube process videos for the layouts that I created with it. So stay tuned. Bye bye now.